Hey groomers, Tyler here. Oh, here comes Smokey. I thought he was outside playing in the snow. You guys want to say hi? There you go. So, I'm going to show you a little bit about these monkey cords. So, this is a pretty new clipper. It looks new and has a new style, everything. But the monkey cord didn't go all the way up over this insulation. So, right here, the cord's weak, and that's kind of where you're gonna break it. So I'll turn it on. It's dead. This cord is bad. And this cord went bad prematurely because of this monkey cord right here. So when you install these, put it all the way up. Tape it up here. Get it all the way up top, because here it's not doing anything. I mean, it keeps your cord all nice. This is how they brought it, so good job with that. But it's not, you're going to do more damage to your cord. So I hope that helps, and good luck. If you have these on and they're not all the way up, take the time and either take it off or put it all the way up top, or wrap extra insulation around it. But you don't want this exposed piece here with all this extra weight. So have a good day. Bye.